sa SOCMED. Siya po ba yun or AI pa rin po yung
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung video na lumalabas. Pero alam ko wala siyang bagong linabas. So, malamang AI yun. I still don't know.
When was the last time you talked to him?
3 days ago.
Okay. Anong update sa kanya, sir?
Okay naman siya. That's all.
How are you communicating with him, sir?
Phone.
Through phone?
Yeah.
Pero you don't know where he is?
No, I don't ask.
So, attorney, alam po din mga nangyayari ngayon dito sa ating bansa, especially dito sa Senate.
I suppose nanonood naman siya ng news.
So, inimbitahan siya for today, sir?
Hindi. Kaya nga klinaro ko na nandito ako dahil may mga natanggap ako na email saying na i-produce ko raw yung mga EA. Hindi ko naman kliyente mga.
Yung mga EA, sir, sila
Yes, hindi ko naman kilala sila.
So, you just clarified that?
Oo, na tayo. Oh, lampas na. Okay. Thank
What
you.
can you say about the allegations?
So, saan na kayo
Attorney Sandain? What can you say about
What
the
allegation?
luggages apparently given
Oh,
by?
matagal na niyang nasabi yun, di ba? Nandun sa video na niya.
Zaldico right now.
I don't know. I don't know.
Pero has he been communicating with you?
Yes, regularly.
Ano yung last
Why don't
update
you
ko
ask
sa'yo,
where
sir?
he is?
I don't want to ask where he is.
Sir,
I don't want to know where he is.
Anong last
Actually,
update niya
last
sa inyo?
update po sa inyo.
Okay siya. That's all.
So, anong request niyo, sir, sa kaso?
Humarap via Zoom if in case na
Oh,
magkakaroon.
i-relay ko kasi yung hinihingi nung Blue Ribbon, i-relay ko lang. Nagawa na namin noon na-request ko na dati. So, I'll ask him again as requested by Senator Cayetano.
So, prior to this, sir, inimbitahan na siya. Pero,
Sworn statement.
I'll ask him kung willing.
so, inimbitahan na siya before, sir, pero ayaw niya today po mag-appear? Kahit
Hindi naman
online?
siya maka-appear today.
Was he initially asked to... Sir, did you live?
Sir, clarify lang, ano yung AI na binabanggit kanina?
Mabilis lang, para hindi tayo magkakatulak.
Sige, dito
Oo,
tayo.
mabilis lang. Correct, conversion.
Okay. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Huwag yung paulit-ulit Okay.
Oo. Para lang malinis.
Okay. Hindi ko alam. Tinanong ako kung yung mga lumalabas sa social media, siya or AI. Sabi ko, wala akong alam na bagong linalabas niya after yung kanyang expose nung November, December. So kung may bago man, hindi siya yun.
Oo.
Kasi wala naman siya linabas na bago.
May binabanggit kanina sa hearing na nasa apostil.
Mm.
Oo. Did he mention anything about
No.
it?
Ang tinatanong nila kung willing daw siya gumawa ng statement na apostille na.
Okay.
Sabi ko na-mention ko na yun dati, but at that time, medyo malamig siya. Ngayon, i-mention ko ulit as I undertook.
Medyo lumalambot po ba siya sa ganung posibilidad?
Hindi, walang indication. Malambot
Kasi
siya.
lumabas po yung balita na haharap daw po siya dito via online.
Hindi
Sa
sa akin.
pagdinig po na ito.
Hindi sa
Meron
akin
po bang
galing.
ganon?
Hindi sa akin galing yun. Tinanong ako kung willing siya. Sabi ko, probably not.
So, in-invite na rin siya for today, sir?
No. Hindi
No,
siya invite
no
today.
formal
Mga informal. Pinapatanong.
Will he join anytime soon?
Probably not.
Bakit po?
Probably not. Nalabas na niya yung sasabihin niya So,
Pero sir, kailangan daw
Pero hindi ba dapat
talaga or sa hearing
under oath?
to formalize it under oath?
kung i-offer us testimony, yes, dapat under oath. Pero kung fact gathering lang, evidence gathering, hindi kailangan under oath. Nasabi ko na rin yan.
Kasi pwede rin niyang i-deny some other time.
Nasa video? Ano ba doon na yung video, Maris?
So, nasa Paris ba siya, sir?
Oh, I don't know. Sneaky.
Anong
I don't
anong hakbang ginagawa niya asking for anong ayun?
Kung tanungin ko kasi yan, kung nagsisik siya ng asylum anyway, malalaman ko kung nasan siya. Ayaw mo nga malaman.
So, ano lang limit ng ano niyo, ng conversation niyo?
Communication.
Update dito, update yan. Yung mga kaso.
Has he expressed intent to come back to the Philippines?
Oh, yeah,
Mga
eventually.
usapan po
Eventually.
ba?
Eventually.
Bakit daw po
What
niya
would
gusto
make
bumalik?
him come back to the Philippines?
Pagka hindi na threatened yung buhay niya, yun naman ang reason why hindi siya makabalik.
How dangerous ba is his yung threats right now? Has he expressed it?
Fear is subjective, Marisa, di ba?
Pero yung pinapahayag niya po sa inyo, bakit ganun
Oh,
ka?
very scared.
Very scary. Why?
Arrest?
Mayroong incident na nangyari dun sa border so dun siya natatakot.
Ano incident?
Di ba yung sinabi
Pero
na,
nahuli siya. He was accosted.
he was asked. But
Ba't
that's it.
nakakatakot yun? He was just asked.
Yeah, I can't tell you that right now. Okay, 2 minutes.
Pero yun po yung dahilan kung bakit he's
Hindi.
scared for his life?
Hindi, matagal na siyang scared for his life.
Okay.
Naka-aggravate pa yun. Matagal na siyang scared to.
Was it physical, sir?
Yun nangyari?
Yes,
Hindi
or
naman,
verbal?
Hindi naman, hindi naman.
But sir, he didn't undergo anymore yung parang legal process doon eh. Parang nakalaya na siya eh, agad-agad. So, why did it aggravate the fear?
May collateral events na nangyari.
Like,
Next time.
Pero ngayon, why were you asked to come here if he was not asked to appear anyway?
Ang sinamon, yung mga EA niya and some individuals na hindi ko kilala. Hindi ko kliyente, pero in-address sa akin. I told them na nandito ako sa courtesy kasi sa akin pinapadala na hindi ko naman kliyente yan.
Okay.
Umalis na ako. Kasi wala naman ako pala.
Basta, just for the record,
Yes.
where is he?
I don't know. I still don't know. No, still don't
At the
know.
last time that you talked to him was when? Thank you. Hold that through po.
Okay.
Thank you.